Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY. I got this great little love wood sign from the Dollar Tree, and I want to give it a coastal Valentine's Day makeover. So I grabbed lots of blue acrylic paints, a little bit of turquoise, some of them kind of more of a sky blue, and I want to show you how easy it is to do like an abstract ocean scene. I want this to be like a beach scene and an ocean. So I'm not going to go straight across. I'm going to kind of go at an angle here. I did like a lighter blue for the sky and then mixed it up with turquoise. And you really cannot mess this up. Just do like different layers of blue and blend them all together. And if you don't like how it looks, just add another color of blue over it. It's really forgiving. But when you look out at the ocean, you get all different colors of blue going out, and then the sky sometimes is a different shade of blue. Um, and I really kind of like the more turquoise colors here coming more toward the front. I want the L and part of the O to be like a beach, and the rest of it to be like the ocean. I also want to make sure that I don't get any paint on the sides where you might be able to see it there. I just use my finger sander to clean that up a little bit. Now I do want to add like a sand dollar to it. I thought that would be fun. I'm going to actually cover up the heart cutout with a sand dollar. This is one of the sand dollars from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to attach it with some hot glue. And it's just another fun coastal touch to add to this love sign. Now for the beach part, I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree tan sand and school glue. I just put the school glue all over. I kind of like to spread mine out a little bit with a paintbrush and then just sprinkle on sand. You can do it with the white sand, but I kind of prefer the tan sand if you can get it. And if you have some spray glue, this is the Dollar Tree spray glue. I know it can be a little hard to find. Gluing on top really helps keep it on there. And I want that beach to kind of be going up against the ocean right there where the sand dollar is. Now, I do want to add a few more coastal touches to this since this is the beach scene over there. I thought it would be fun to add like some seashells in the sand as well. These are the little tiny seashells from the Dollar Tree. They come in the little glass bottles. Sometimes I also get big bottles of these on Amazon. They're really inexpensive on there as well. I just wanted some tiny seashells. And so I'm just going to pick out some that I like. I also have some of the little tiny starfish on there from Amazon. And we're going to add seashells over here on the L. Now I'm attaching the shells with hot glue. You do want to kind of push down through the sand so that your glue gets contact with the wood itself. Otherwise, you don't want to just glue to the sand. They will fall straight off. And I went all the way up the L just like that. I think this DIY is so much fun. Now this last step is optional. I had some lacquer and I wanted mine to be kind of shiny. So I'm just going to seal the whole thing with some lacquer. You could always use like some acrylic sealer as well. I wanted the water to kind of look wet. This is how it turned out. I think it's really fun for Valentine's Day. If you'd like more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.